everyone, welcome back to my channel. I got something exciting today. I'm a really big fan of Taylor Swift. So today I made a Lithophane of Taylor Swift. So let's see how I made it with the help of 3D printer. Firstly, we have to create the STL files to print the 3D lithophane. We can do it with the help of itslitho.com, which is a free source website to help create the STL files. As you can see on the screen, this is the website and how it looks like. First, we download the image which we want to print, and then we need to edit the photo. We want to print cylindrical lithophane with 2 photos. We will then adjust the height and diameter of the model. The minimum thickness we set as 0.8 mm and the max thickness as 2.8 mm. And then we download the STL files now to BambuLab Studios and get ready to print. We load STL file to BambuLab Studio for further processing. As we can see, we have the cylindrical model. We will print it with white filament. It's simple now. We first slice the model and then print it as on screen. Yay! Yay! It's time for the magic to start. I've connected the white filament to the 3D printer and sent the STL file to the 3D printer. The printing begins! Wow, it's 30% done! Yay, the printing is done. Let's take it out. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys again with another project. Bye.